Welcome to Godsmacked, where AI collides with ontology and your old self doesn't make it out alive. Not safe, not scripted, not sorry. This is for founders, thinkers, and creators who crave more than conversation. They want confrontation. We don't talk about change, we engineer it. No fluff, no filter, just tools, truth, and transformation. Welcome to your initiation.
If you are running a small business, maybe a lean marketing team, just 2 or 3 people, then you definitely know that bottleneck that just crushes innovation.
Oh, yeah.
It's needing to produce loads of high-quality content, right? Blog posts, SEO stuff, social graphics, emails, product descriptions, everything.
That whole lot.
But you don't have the staff, or let's be honest, the budget to hire a bunch of writers and designers. You're just stuck churning things out.
It's the classic small business paradox, isn't it? You need the output of a big company without the resources. Historically, that gap just meant smaller players. Well, they couldn't really compete on that level.
Right.
But AI has fundamentally changed that. It democratized the ability to scale. These tools, they're sophisticated now. They let your small team operate with these AI tools. We're reporting things like responding to customer queries 37% faster.
Wow. Okay.
And here's the kicker for those lean teams. They're saving, on average, 6.2 hours per employee per week.
6.2 hours. Just
That's
gone
right.
from what, admin and drafting?
Exactly. Tasks that just eat up time. Think about what you could do with that extra day almost.
That's huge. That's time for actual strategy, not just keeping the lights on. So, okay, today we're doing a deep dive. We're looking at 4 key content factory. Our mission here is to give you the blueprint, basically, to scale up your brand voice, your visuals, starting now, without hiring anyone new.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's unpack this, starting with the written word. Because if you want high-quality text and lots of it, the real challenge isn't just grammar, right? It's getting that tone, that voice that sounds like your brand.
Not some generic robot.
Exact standardized writer.
You got it. And for small teams, the biggest time suck is often just getting that first draft down, then the editing. Jasper gives you a pretty high-quality first draft in minutes. You spend maybe 15 minutes refining it instead of, 3 hours staring at a blank screen.
That consistency, that's gold for building trust across all your channels.
Foundational, absolutely.
Like, this is where it gets really interesting for me. Moving from text to visuals, you get the words right, but then you need the graphics, and nothing screams amateur hour louder than dodgy, inconsistent visuals, right?
Mismatched logos, weird fonts.
Yeah. So let's talk Canva. It feels like Canva has completely changed. We hit the distribution problem, managing Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok. It's a lot.
It's the final bottleneck, absolutely. And that's where Flick comes in.
Flick. So it's more than just a scheduler.
Oh, much more. Think of Flick as your social media command center, specifically built for the complexity of modern platforms. It blends scheduling, deep analytics, and crucially, an AI assistant to streamline that whole content process.
Is the AI just helping schedule, or is it actually involved in the strategy?
It's deeply involved in strategy. Improving because your campaigns look more professional and consistent?
Right.
Are you seeing better organic traffic because Jasper's helping you nail your SEO content? Is social engagement up because Flick is optimizing your posts and hashtags? The real success isn't just doing less manual work, it's the leverage. It's achieving a level of quality and volume that was simply impossible before.
Okay, this has been incredibly insightful, a real deep dive. We've seen how Jasper scales your voice with consistency, how Canva and DALL-E 2 give non-designers pro-level unique visuals, and how Flick makes sure all that great content gets seen and managed effectively.
And that's the synergy. Used together, these tools really do form a low-cost but incredibly potent content factory. But maybe here's the final thought, something provocative for you to chew on.
Chew on.
This AI revolution. It's not really about replacing human creativity. It's not about replacing relationship building with your customers. Think of these tools as powerful amplifiers for those essential human skills.
Amplifiers, I like that.
So the challenge for you, listening right now, isn't whether you should start using AI. Your competitors likely already are. The real question is, which specific annoyance, which bottleneck, which soul-crushing manual task are you going to eliminate first? How can you start leveraging this to get enterprise-level results but still keep that personal touch that makes your business unique? Which time sink are you going to ditch next week?
You've been godsmacked, but listening is the easy part. Now, it's time to build. Join us in the Forge, where the episode becomes action and clarity gets weaponized. First initiation's on us. Access is limited. Courage is required.